Okay, we have Sony Vaio laptop speaker connectors. Customer complaint is wires broke off of connectors. Please fix. So we have two speakers here. Customer, I guess, removed them from the laptop. All they sent in was the speakers in the connector. As you can see, one wire, positive wire, broke off that connector. This one we actually repaired off camera. This was completely disconnected from both sides. So we did carefully remove the parts of wire that were still in the connector itself. And we reinstalled those wires. What we're going to do now is we're just going to test to make sure we have, I'm assuming these speakers are somewhere around 8 ohms. Pretty standard, so. See if I can put this somewhere you can see. Okay. Yeah, that's about right. Okay, so this one's fixed. We're going to go ahead and repair the second one. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's flip this over and let's check continuity. The other side of the connector real quick. Make sure that there's a good connection there. And there we go. It's about the same resistance as the other speaker, so I think we're good to go. Alright, this was a quick one, but we take in all kinds of different repairs here. From small repairs to large complex repairs. If you have anything that needs to be repaired, anything electronic, Go to www.rudolphrepairs.com. rudolphrepairs@gmail.com is the email address. Phone number is 1-800-517-9101. Any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email, or fill out a free estimate or mail-in form on the website. All right, guys. Until next time.